Summer is coming soon, and I know you want to look and feel your best in your swimsuit. But losing weight is not easy, especially in the hot weather. It takes dedication, discipline, and smart strategies. That's why today, I'm going to share 11 proven tips to lose weight this summer, based on the latest research and expert opinions. These tips are effective, enjoyable, and sustainable. So, let's get started. Tip number 1. Start your day with water. Water can boost your metabolism, suppress your appetite, and keep you hydrated. Drink a glass of water as soon as you wake up, and keep a water bottle with you throughout the day. Tip number 2. Eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are rich in nutrients, fiber, and water, which can keep you full and satisfied. Eat at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables a day, and choose a variety of colors and flavors. Tip number 3. Sip green tea once a day. Green tea contains antioxidants that can enhance fat burning and thermogenesis. It can also lower your blood pressure, cholesterol, blood sugar levels, and make a significant reduction in body weight and body fat. Tip number 4. Be smart with snacking. Snacking can help you curb your hunger and prevent binge eating, but it can also add extra calories and sugar to your diet. Choose snacks that are high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, such as nuts, seeds, yogurt, cheese, hummus, and hard-boiled eggs. Avoid snacks that are high in refined carbs, added sugars, and artificial ingredients, such as cookies, chips, candy, and soda. Tip number 5. Breakfast with overnight oats. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, as it can kickstart your metabolism and give you energy. Overnight oats are oats that are soaked in milk, yogurt, or water overnight, and then topped with fruits, nuts, seeds, or other ingredients. They are easy to make, delicious, and nutritious. They are also high in fiber, protein, and complex carbs, which can keep you full and satisfied for hours. Tip number 6. Get sufficient sleep. Sleep is crucial for your health and weight loss. When you sleep, your body repairs and restores itself, and regulates your hormones and metabolism. A lack of sleep can disrupt these processes and lead to increased hunger, cravings, and stress. A study of 68,000 women found that those who slept less than 5 hours per night were more likely to gain weight than those who slept 7 hours or more. Get at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night, and avoid caffeine, alcohol, and electronics before bed. Tip number 7. Add spices to your meals. Spices can add flavor and aroma to your dishes, and also boost your metabolism and burn fat. Spices such as chili, ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, and black pepper contain compounds that can increase thermogenesis, reduce inflammation, and improve insulin sensitivity. A study of 40 overweight men found that adding chili to their meals increased their energy expenditure and fat oxidation. Tip number 8. Do not underestimate the importance of a workout. Exercise is one of the best ways to lose weight and improve your health. It can help you burn calories, build muscle, strengthen your bones and joints, improve your mood and self-esteem, and prevent chronic diseases. The American Heart Association recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week, along with strength training at least twice a week. Choose any exercise that you enjoy and suits your fitness level, such as walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, dancing, or playing sports. Tip number 9. Get daily sun exposure. Sunlight can help regulate your circadian rhythm, which is your body's natural clock that controls your sleep and wake cycles. Sunlight can also suppress your melatonin production, which is a hormone that can stimulate your appetite and fat storage. Get at least 15 to 30 minutes of sun exposure every day, preferably in the morning, and wear sunscreen and sunglasses to protect your skin and eyes. Tip number 10. Use coconut oil to cook. Coconut oil is one of the healthiest oils you can use for cooking. It contains medium-chain triglycerides, which are fatty acids that can be quickly used by your body for energy. A study of 40 women found that consuming coconut oil daily for 12 weeks led to a significant reduction in waist circumference and body mass index compared to soybean oil. Coconut oil can also boost your metabolism, reduce your appetite, and improve your cholesterol levels. Tip number 11. Be positive and patient. Weight loss is not a linear process, and it may take some time and effort to see the results you want. But don't let that discourage you or make you give up. Focus on the positive changes you are making and celebrate your small victories. Remember that you are doing this for yourself and for your health and happiness. Be proud of yourself and keep going. These are the 11 tips to lose weight this summer, based on the latest science-backed tips. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching.